Hey guys, Mr. Rika G here. Sometimes the Mustang lock gets stuck, and I just want to show you guys how to manually unlock it. I know there's probably a feature, but I don't really read the owner's manual, so I'm just going to show you guys. So all you really got to do is pop your hood, and then if you see in there's a little cable that locks it. Sometimes it doesn't unlock, turns it malfunctions. So all you really have to do is just pull that cable, but be careful with the orange wires because that's high voltage. But yeah. Just all you gotta do is just pull it, and then it'll lock itself. Yeah. Pull it, then you'll be able to pull it out. Just like that. And yeah, there you go.